friends, as I am the explorer, today I will make the Bangladesh flag on all of these cubes that I have here. So let's start. So first I'm going to make the Bangladesh flag in a 5x5. So this is the Bangladesh flag, as you can see. I've made it in the 5x5. Now next I'm going to do the Bangladesh flag in a 4x4. So let's start. So as you can see, I have also made a Bangladesh flag in the 4x4. Now I will make a Bangladesh flag in this 3x, then this 3x3, then this 3x3, then this 3x3, and then this 3x3, and then this miniature 3x3. So let's start. As you can see, I have made the Bangladesh flag in this cube. Now I'm going to make a Bangladesh flag in this 3x3. Okay, I have my sister and my little brother is telling me to fix this cube, so I'm going to fix this cube and then do the other ones. Okay, I am done with the video. Now let's go back to what we were doing. So now I'm going to do it. Now I'm going to do a 3x3 in this cube. I'm going to do a Bangladesh flag in this cube. So let's start. As you can see, I have made the Bangladesh flag in this cube and okay, just one thing. Remember my cube collection video where I showed you this cube? So this cube then popped and it's exactly the same cube, but it's still okay. And I've also made a Bangladesh flag in this cube. So it's amazing. Even though it pops like this, I still made a Bangladesh flag in this cube. Now I'm going to make a Bangladesh flag in this cube. I've made a Bangladesh flag in this cube. This cube is so rusty that it takes a lot of time to do. Now with this cube, as you can see, this cube doesn't have two of its centerpieces, but it still has the red, so we can make a Bangladesh flag. See? And now finally we are going to make a Bangladesh flag in this miniature 3x3 cube. And my sister and brother are noisy a lot, so they do their thing, so that's exactly why they are doing this. So now I'm going to make a Bangladesh flag in this cube. So let's try. Okay, so I have made a Bangladesh flag on all of the cubes that have centers, because if the cube does not have a center, then we cannot make a Bangladesh flag. Since this 2x2, the 2x2s don't have centers, that's exactly why they can make the Bangladesh flag. For example, how I'm going to make a Bangladesh flag if there's no middle part. So just see, let me try. it did nothing. So that's exactly why it didn't include the 2x2 and the 2x3. So anyways, if you like the video, then please subscribe and smash the like button. Bye bye.